Yeah,
What happened?
sound enter my eye.
Where the sound from come?
Anybody that says being a content creator is easy, that person just lied to you. So as you can see, I just had, an experience. I don't know where that came from, but nonetheless, it was just unexpected. Anyway, this video I'll be showing you how to moisturize your hair and keep your mini braids locked in with enough moisture, because obviously you need moisture to thrive. It is what it is. Moving on, so this is how my hair actually looks like. It is, dry, and it's not even looking nice, to be honest. So I really need to get this back to its shining state. So that's why I'm showing you the before, then I'll also show you the after of the whole process. So this is what we're currently working with, and yeah, all you need is water and leave-in conditioner. That's like the basics for moisturization. Then you can actually have like your shea butter or oil to seal in the moisture, but the major things that you need is your water and leave-in conditioner of your choice. So you first spray your braids with water. Don't be stingy with it, like I always say, be very generous. Ensure that you apply as much as possible. Then press it in. I have low porosity, so I press the product in. Then I go in with a suitable leave-in conditioner. Can you see how lightweight this one is? Yes, that is what works best for low porosity, so that it can be easy to absorb over time. And as you can see, I keep pressing the product in, because if I should just apply it on my hair strand, it will just sit on the hair strand, because I have low porosity and it's not so easy for my hair to absorb products. So that is why I constantly massage the product in, then I twist it all up for the moisture to be retained even longer. Then when you twist it, don't forget the ends. The ends of your hair is actually like the oldest part of your hair, and it tends to break off easily. So don't forget to apply moisture there, so that it would eliminate dryness, and it will be moisturized long enough to avoid breakage. So once you do the first section, you go to the next section as you see me do, and repeat the same process. Spray water generously with your spray bottle, massage it in, go in with your leave-in conditioner, apply it, then you twist. I hope that when next you do your mini braids or your mini twist, you will adopt this process, so that you'll be able to retain moisture longer in your hair. Majority of you just do these hairstyles and you leave it without taking care of your hair in between, which is a no. You need to try your best to start taking care of your hair in between the styles that you make. So when you make your mini braids, ensure that you apply moisture as much as you can. And yeah, PACN is at it. Anyway, power came back and we continue the process. You spray, then don't forget the ends of your hair, and you apply leave-in conditioner and whatnot. So one thing I want you to know is that this is actually a low manipulative hairstyle. I always advise you guys to do low manipulative hairstyle, so that you can retain more length by the end of the year. So prioritize doing mini braids, mini twist, chunky braids, chunky twist, something that will not cause tension to your scalp or your edges. As you can see, my edge line is, free flowing. There's no tension. It is just, thriving on its own. That is the kind of hairstyles I always tell my subscribers, my followers, my community to do, because we want to prioritize you having healthy edge line and also have healthy hair at the end of the day. It is one thing for you to have your hair growing, it's another thing for you to retain length, and it's another thing for you to know your moisture routine. So all of this work together. You cannot leave one and prioritize the other one. So ensure that you try your best to incorporate all of this in your hair care routine. So hair care routine is basically what you do in and out of your protective style. Even when you don't have a protective style, what you do in your hair routine is just basically what you repeatedly do. So once you have a routine, it will help your hair to, stand the test of time and thrive beautifully. So as you see me do, this should be like the last part, I think. So I'm just unraveling the rest. Can you see how moisturized the hair is looking? It is way better than when we started the whole process. It is, fully coated with leave-in conditioner, water, and it is thriving. So this will actually last for days, and if you notice that your hair is drying out again, just repeat the same process and you're good to go. My hair is thriving and I'm so happy, I'm so glad. And this hair is basically 2 weeks already, so I'm thinking of taking it down and doing another one, because my hair does not really last so long for months or whatnot, especially when it is low manipulative in nature. So yeah, I hope this helped you. I remain your favorite hair coach. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about this page, and voila. This year, we're going to get that length that you deserve. If you don't have a suitable leave-in conditioner, try to get it today so that your hair can, be moisturized from time to time. Because you need this product starch, just water, leave-in conditioner will do the job. And yeah, I've been your favorite hair coach, and I'll see you in my next. But hold up, I have this, the Tango Duet brush in my Amazon affiliate link is in description. And also, if you need like an ebook where I would, state every single thing you need to know about growing healthy hair, the link is in description. Also, get yours and learn the rudiments of having healthy, long, bouncy hair, as you see me, showcase in my videos. So yeah, the brush is available. Click the link, get yours, and I'll be glad that you did, because it will help you to detangle your hair easily with less breakage. So head over to my description box. As you can see me do, I'm still using water. Yes, water is really paramount. Water, leave-in conditioner, oil, shea butter, everything is really needed in all you do. So don't forget to get your detangled wet brush. The description link is available for you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next. Don't forget to subscribe.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fumble. As that day comes,